Hi guys, it's me, your ate. Let's go open this summer seeds pack. Hopefully, we can get a better seeds, guys. So, sana medyo maganda-ganda yung ating makukuha. Let's open it. And there it is, guys. There it is. Nakukuha ba natin yung... okay. Malapit na siya sa parasol flower. Okay, another one again. Second time, guys. We will get the parasol flower again. No, wild carrot. Kuha natin, guys. Another one again, guys. And this is for the 3 times. So, okay. It is carrot, wild carrot. So, here I am sitting, so hopefully we can get it, guys. Here it is, and the 4th time is, nakuha pa rin natin yung wild carrot. And hopefully, guys, we can get the parasol and the Rosy Delight. Yes, it is, guys. We get the Rosy Delight. OMG. And next na naman, guys, we get a cantaloupe. I don't know ano yung cantaloupe, pero medyo maganda siguro yung comment down below. And there it is. Yes, parasol flower again, guys. Yes, medyo sumiswerte na tayo dito, guys. Cantaloupe. Oh my God, malapit na siya. So, si Delight na yung malapit na yun eh. Dito na lang, guys. We're opening again. And here it is to go to get, here. Another one again, guys. Here it is. Here na naman ulit. So, hopefully, guys, here it is. So, sa mga nagtatanong pala, guys, is, this is the biggest update, and hopefully we can get the, tawag nun yung elephant air because it is OP, guys. And here it is, we get a parasol flower again. You see, guys, merong mga nagkadikit-dikit dyan. Hopefully we get another. Wild carrot yung dikit niya, sayang na, guys. Sobrang lapit na lang yun eh. Pear. So we got our pear. And there it is. So also makikita nyo naman, guys, maganda yung ating design ng ating garden. Ng garden ko. And as you can see, I have 2 trillion. So, ikwento ko paano ako nagka 2 trillion plus, guys. Actually, nag-join ako sa server. And when nag-joining ako, there is a player finding a blood kiwi. So, nakipag-trade ako. And binigay niya yung isang maliit yung moonlit na candy blossom. And what is the crazy part there, guys, is 100 billion na lang ako kasi in-expand ko yung inventory ng tawag niyan, inventory doon sa cosmetic para madami akong inventory. So, ayun, naging 2 trillion yung nagasto ko. Ayun, ay mga 1 trillion plus pala. Tapos ito, naging 2.8 trillion na yung aking money. So, as you can see, guys, yun yung mga nakuha natin sa ating pagkakaano ng mga summer seed pack. So, kung makikita nyo, meron po tayong mga eggs dyan sa likuran ng background natin. There it is a mythical, bag egg, also 2 paradise. And here it is, guys, we're opening again and I get a wild carrot. And there it is. Okay, wala. Hindi tayo sorting ngayon, guys. So, kung nakaabot ka pa naman sa video na to, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And there it is, we get a Rosy Delight. Kakasabi ko lang na mag-support na kayo. And actually, guys, mamimigay po tayo ng candy blossom. Sa mga makakaabot po ng pamimigay natin next time, don't forget to follow me. And let's be friends in Roblox. And also in my Minecraft account, guys. Hopefully, you will follow my Minecraft series as we go there. So, malapit na rin yung Minecraft na video, guys. So, hopefully, you will watch it because meron tayong mga pasabog na mga magagandang episode. There it is. We got a parasol flower again. So, kung nakikita nyo, guys, salamat sa pagsuporta and we will be going in at 100 subscribers. As you can see, hopefully, YouTube will be in favor of me. So, actually, guys, I will be improving my garden sooner. And you can see there we have a very good background there and very good plants. As you can see, there it is. Goodbye, guys. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.